Okay, hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video we'll be talking about predefined constant values. So let me just clear this. Predefined constant values, so it's just clear. This other clear will clear our workspace here. Okay, now the predefined constant values, these are values for things like pi, things like the imaginary numbers. So for pi in Matlab is written as this pi, and of course we know this is talking about our regular pi. Okay, so which is 3.14 and so on. Okay, 3.14159 and so on like that. So how do you do this in Matlab? You write it pi, okay, small letters. Then for j, as complex numbers, you either use I or you use j for the complex numbers in Matlab. Then this means infinity, which is this symbol. So to write this symbol in Matlab, just type this, because we don't have this in our keyboard to put in Matlab. We'll have this INF in Matlab. Then for not a number, just NaN, which is this NaN, not a number. Okay, so let's go to Matlab and do that. So if you type in pi, you just have the value for pi right there. That's it. And if you observe, you see Matlab, they keep their things in 4 decimal places. Okay, keep their stuff 4 decimal places. And then if you type in I or J, whichever one, you will get complex number. And you know, complex numbers have a real part and they have an imaginary part. Okay, so of course we do not have a real part, that's why we have 0.00000, but we have our imaginary part. The coefficient of or the number close to this, of course, invisible one, so that's why we have 1.0000. Okay, if you do that to j, you also get same thing. Yeah, there you have it. But one thing to note that when using predefined functions or predefined constant values, they should be at the right hand side of your equality sign. So if I want to make use of pi, it should be at this side. Okay, whatever I'm doing should be at this side, not at this side, not at the left hand side of the equality sign. That's because what you have at the left hand side of the equality sign is the variable, while what you have at the right hand side is what is being assigned to the variable. So since these are predefined constant values, since our this pi, I, j, and then infinity and NaN, since they've been assigned values, they've been given values predefined. Okay, since they've been given values, then we shouldn't give them, like, assign other values to them. That may lead to maybe problem or error or something. So of course the exception will be j and I. Okay, and most times they are used for loops. So when dealing with especially pi, okay, because j and I are already stand as variables that are something like they have exception, okay, based on loops or for the sake of loops. So just think of it when using pi, just know that it should be at this side. Okay, it should be at this, your right hand side. So if I say a equals pi, close this, then whenever I use a, I should see the value of pi. So let's say 1 plus a, I should see something like 4.1 and so on, 1416. Yeah, so this is just that for predefined functions, predefined constant values. And we'll quickly stop here, and then in our next video we will start making use of we'll make use of some of them. And so remember to like this video and then share, subscribe, and yeah, see you in the next video. So bye for now. Also leave comments in the comment section, and yeah, see you in next video.